They say if you're rich, you live in Beverly Hills. If you're famous, you live in Malibu. And if you're lucky, you live in Pacific Palisades. Ooh. Welcome to the channel where I review and critique luxury properties. I tell you 3 things I like about it, 3 things I don't like about it in a really short video so you can bench watch them after each other. And in today's episode, we're going to review 755 Napoli Drive in Pacific Palisades, 90272, 7-bedroom, 9-bath, 10,600 square foot, and on a lot that is 16,181 square foot, asking $22.5 million. Now, before I tell you 3 things I don't like, 3 things I like about this property, you should know that the content of this video is purely my personal opinion. It's for educational entertainment purposes. If you have questions, you can ask the listing agents right here. Okay, 3 things I love about this property. Architectural style, white brick, classic, great logical, simple layout. It's beautiful. I absolutely love it. Number 2, location. Look, this is Lower Riviera, but what I love about this is just not that it's a great street, but also very close to get out of Brentwood, because most people who live in Brentwood, they work in Beverly Hills or Century City, and this is pretty close to the exit areas, and traffic getting out of Brentwood is a nightmare. If you live there, you already know that, and this kind of mitigates that damage. The number 1 thing I love about this property is that it's just perfect, like all around, like everything about it is really, really good. It's kind of sits in this magisterial position perched up above the lot. It's got the right distribution of bedrooms upstairs, downstairs. It's got a basement. No one has basements in Pacific Palisades. Lock size, lock dimension. It's just really, really good house. Now, 3 things I don't like about this property.
Before you get into that, can you tell me what ZipSmart has to say about this house?
This is really interesting. So we forecast Zillow prices. You can see prices are kind of going up, right? Well, we say, nope, it's forecasted to come down. And when you look at the monthly and yearly metrics, they kind of verify. And Pacific Palisades has been one of the hottest markets. So this is a dangerous sign that it might be turning in Pacific Palisades. Now, 3 things I don't like about this property. Number 3, it's northwest facing. You know what that means. You're just not going to get as much sun as a south facing property, and there's nothing you can do about it. Number 2, finishes. I mean, they're good, but they're not great, okay? There's just some misses, like the wine room downstairs, the color palette. What the hell? There's like, what is that black doing over there? The floors just doesn't feel expensive. The shower covers, it's just some of the elements are just not there.
This looks vanilla, huh?
Yeah, it just doesn't cut it for me. And the number 1 thing I don't like about this property, it doesn't have any panache. And if you don't know what that means, it's because you don't follow the channel. And no, it's not an Indian dish from Taj Mahal Indian restaurant next to your house. It just lacks that personality of its own. And it's so important in this price point for the property to really convey that. So, you know, it makes me feel like I'm not getting lucky. But on paper, it's great. Now, if you like this video, you will probably like this video and this video. And don't forget to sign up for ZipSmart.ai because I'm raising the prices once the version 3.0 comes and you'll be grandfathered in. And tell me in the comments if you like these videos. This sometimes feel like we're talking in a vacuum. So when you talk to, in the comments, it tells us if we're doing well, things we can improve. Let us know what we can do. We would love to help out, okay? Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.